Hello, to set up alarm clock on Nothing Phone 2a Plus, start by opening clock application. Go to alarm in the left bottom corner, and now you can use one of this currently set up. One of the currently existed preset, and tap on the switcher to turn it on. And now if you want to customize it, you can just click on it. And here, first of all, you can change time by using this sliders. Next, as you can see, it's actually opened a little bit. So what we can do right now, we can pick the repeat. Right here, we can change alarm sound. We can even use YouTube Music or Spotify. But if you want to get classic sound, you can change this one or this one. And here we can also turn on and off vibrations, and we can even add the Google Assistant routines. And of course, you can create and turn on multiple alarms at once.